So what's up guys? I'm here in front of you to talk about Pateros. So we are the last reporters in our class. So good afternoon, Sir Chad Carr. Mabuhay. And so we continue about our report. So Pateros, it is known for the balut capital of the Philippines. So ito siya guys, balut capital of the Philippines. Diha pa lang na part. Ito balut. Diha ang gikan. Capital man. And then yun na ta sa more report. So Pateros is only municipality and Metro Manila. So, siya na din nag-iisang municipality sa Metro Manila, guys. And then, located southeast of NCR near Taguig and Pasig. So, Pateros na guys, kay doon ra siya sa Taguig and Pasig. So, di bale, there is a Michael, for example, there is a Michael's or then diha sa mall, yan na lang. So, as I said earlier, known for balut and slipper making. So, dire po tayo kakuha ng mga sanilasan guys. Pinabuhat po din sila mga chinelas. And Pateros it is a peaceful and traditional community. So, peaceful siya. Ito siya mga traditional, like siguro mga basta ito. And then yun nata sa history of Pateros. It is founded as a municipality in 1700s. So dugay na gid guys, no? Mailhan mo sa taron 2025. Then once a barrio of Pasig called Aguho or Embacadero. No? Nice siya. Karoon po kanong kadungog ng mga ingani nga barrio guys. And then, became independent again in 1909. Magdugay, dito siya. And, napart siya sa Metro Manila and in 1975. So, origin of the name of heritage. So, ang pasabot, sapato guys, kay Dub. Kabalo naman siguro mga sapato guys na matong taas o gano'n. And Zapatero is the showmaker. Bao din Pateros, yung tawag. So, mga famous landmarks na niya guys, kay San Roque Parish Church and Plaza de Borja. So next is geography and demographics. Land area niya kay 2.10 kilometers. Then is the smallest in NCR. So sa Pateros guys, kay nasa'y 10 ka-barangays. Ang population niya atong 2020 is 63,840. So, dagdag, no? And ang languages na ginagamit nila dito kay Tagalog or English. And silang religion po guys, mostly sa mga tao dito ay Catholic. Wala kayo kay mga dito siguro mga Muslim or mga Ilocano or mga etc. So, governance. As for mayor, his name is Gerald German. And for the vice mayor, guys, kay si Carlo Santos. Moto. Dayon, sa economic activities is known for balut and penay production. So Siguro dito mas pinakalamit ng mga balot guys or mga yan. And slipper and footwear industry. So katong gingon, Alfombra. Small food and trade businesses. So siguro na mga business ng mga pagkaunan, mga ibalik ng mga tuyok na ba? And Pateros Public Market, so main commercial area. Sure. And the local delicacies kay katong balot, inutak and penay. So for inutak kay mura siya og ube nga gimoys siguro. Kay para sa picture kay gimoy siya. Pero siya kakanin no. So let's proceed to the tourism and culture.
Hi, my name is Aris Mateo Locanario. I will report the tourism and culture. Tourist spots: San Roque Church, Plaza de Borja, Festival Balot sa Puti Festival. This unique local celebration highlight the famous Filipino delicacy. While Festival Marta is muna siyang event kanang like profession, prayers and festivities where residents show their devotion and unity. And local foods balot, inutok and penoy. These are well-known delicacies of the area. Inutak is a sweet rice cake, while ang balot and penoy are popular eggs na makita nato sa street foods. Plaza used for cultural shows and celebrations. Next is infrastructure and transportation. Main roads: M. Almeda, Bimor, Sela, and GD Borja. Public transportation: jeepney, tricycles and motorcycles near C5 roads and Pasig River. Bridges connect to Taguig and Pasig. Muna siya ang education and institution, mga kanamo na siyang mga ginapan dito sa Silanca. Major schools: Patrios Catholic School and Maria Concepcion Cruz High School. Patrios Technological College. Agujo Elementary School. Public library supports students and research. These are issues and mga challenges na nasa Patrios. Una kay traffic congestion and on narrow roads. Flooding during rains, mga pag maulan kay baha dito sa bitaw. And limited land development. Decline of duck racing industry. Fun facts about Patrios: smallest municipality in NRC, known as Balot Capital of the Philippines. Symbol includes a duck. Some celebrities trace roots here. For our sources, we gathered information and credible website to ensure accuracy and reliability. And that's all. Thank you for listening.